only took a couple of days, and now I don't even really think about filming my views and experiences and stuff, so it's nice. Feels like a good, very positive change. Right? It's huge. Hey. Guys, they have beans here. I might get beans today. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have beans. Please, please give them to me. Please let me eat them. A random person's house in this village, and this is a gigantic piece of quartz, I think. This piece fell off. Like, you can shine a light all through this. It's crazy. That was an extremely strange experience. He walked me all the way to his house, sat me down, gave me a cup of rice wine and water, and then pointed at this rock, which he went and picked up. The whole time, I was like, I can't understand you. And I don't think he was speaking Vietnamese either. I think he was speaking Hmong tribe. And he just kept talking anyway, kept saying stuff as if I understood, and I didn't. And then he showed me the quartz, this rock, and he was shining a light through it, and it was just a massive quartz or something, just insane. And then he got like clean. I was like, why don't you clean it? I was like making a rubbing gesture on it. So he got me cleaning supplies and just watched me clean it. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go. There's not much else to do here. I didn't drink the rice wine, obviously. And then he made a 5 gesture and made the money gesture. And I was like, my dude, I thought this was just a nice exchange. I haven't taken anything from you apart from a tiny cup of water. And then I gave him 5,000, and then he took out a 20,000 bill. I didn't have 20,000, so I gave him 15,000 and was like, there you go, that's it. And then he was like, no, he kept showing me 20, then showed me a 50, and I was like, my guy, stop pushing your luck. Just take the loose change I have and let me go. I'm not giving you like 100 for nothing. But I think he gave it to me. I was pretty obvious about taking it, but this small square of quartz fell off. And I gestured to taking it, and I took it. I mean, the piece was huge, so like I think it's fine, but there you go. I paid I paid 15,000, which is something like 45 pence for a teeny tiny piece of quartz and a memory. And now I have to find my way back, because that was quite far. It was over there in that bit of the village, but I'm staying over here in this piece of the village. Also, China is... no. China's over there, maybe? Or China's over there? Basically, China is like a few kilometers away. Like less than a 30-minute walk, apparently. And apparently there's border security there now since COVID. But used to be able to just sort of go up to the border. It's pretty crazy, huh? What a weird life. I just walked off. No, I'm lost. But it's a small place, so I'm sure I'll find my way. Also, lots of angry dogs on that side. Quite nice on this side.